Hi, Isma.
Hello, Anu.
Uh, you've recently attended Meta Health class,
Yes, I did.
and did you like it?
Oh, it was awesome. I really liked it, and it has really helped me in many ways, I must say, because that helped me understand my own self. I didn't know that I had so many baggage that I have been carrying, and not from past few years, but since childhood. And that was an amazing what you call exploration. It was really good. I mean, I would recommend everyone to attend this meta health workshop.
So, Isma, how is it different? I mean, a lot of modalities today talk about the same thing, and a lot of people will say that's inner child and that's all kind of things. Isn't it beautiful? Yeah.
It's awesome. I mean, in fact, I think I'm getting meta healthy any which ways.
Okay. I think we'd rather tell the people over here that Meta Health is a diagnostic tool, and it helps people to identify what are the stressful events that are locked up in their system.
Yes.
And when we're talking about locked up in the system, we're talking about the brain layers, we're talking about the organ, and we're talking about the heart.
Absolutely.
And how then to kind of dislodge them,
Yes.
and your whole life comes back together.
So true. So true.
And that's exactly how I explain Meta Health to anyone. Would you like to add something to it?
See, these are all the scientific terms and the biological terms that we use. But as a layperson, for a person to understand, he just has to understand why does he have that disease that he has.
It's that simple.
It is that simple.
And how does it help? I mean, for heaven's sake, I mean, I can go to the doctor, right? And he can
Right.
tell me why I have
Right.
it. So why come to a Meta Health specialist?
Right. Here, I would say, Anu, that the reason why they should come to a meta health, because we keep asking one question to ourselves, and that is, why me?
Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay.
Right?
Okay. Right.
So
Absolutely.
that why me gets answered in meta health. Okay, why you or why me? Why is it this particular disease come to
So
me?
does it talk about superstitions?
Um, it does, because in a way superstitions we have it, which is there in our back of mind, because हमने हमारे कर्म बुरे थे, या इस वजह से हमको ये सज़ा मिल रही है. लेकिन ये बिल्कुल मुझे लगता है ये सज़ा नहीं है.
So
ये
for people who don't understand Hindi, what Usma really said was it could be karmas, and it could be something that we haven't been able to do, and people believe in that they're getting punished for something that they're having back in past, and so that's a nice angle to kind of add to it, right?
Correct. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. This is a place to understand why are you falling sick, or why or when are you falling sick. We just don't understand. We just feel, oh my God, sar dard ho gaya, pill kidhar hai. But there are many times that you really don't want to. You should not take the pills. You just be with it and have fun with that. But then tolerance level human beings don't have. So I think this is really a place where you must come and see and learn. In fact, and that is
Thank
it
you,
is
beautiful
wonderful.
people. Meet
Thank
you again
you.
in the next video. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Usma.
Thank you, Anu.